you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. I'm telling you, man. It's wild right here, boy. What you got in here, man?
418s on
yes, sir.
This is 10K.
Yes, sir.
You gonna tell them what we got?
We got I did tell them.
Oh, you did? Okay. You tell them we got 10K wired at 2 ohms. So we're only seeing probably about 2 to 2,500 watts right now is all we're probably clamping.
Okay.
So shoot 5,000 watts plus box rides and all.
Yeah, and rides bring you down a little bit.
Here, go right there. I'll play that one right there. All right, turn it up. Turn it up to 39.
say I'm the biggest, the largest. This is my mama's favorite. Regardless.
That's rebates. You want to hear it on regular music?
Oh yeah, that'll work too.
Let me right there, buddy.
You want to do
Thank you. So we're gonna put that on the Tahoe. BASSWITHKEV. You know who that is, don't you?
You know who you.
You know who that is, don't you? That's Kev.
Nice meeting you, man.
We watch you.
I sure appreciate y'all.
Last year we had two Onyx 15s. We were parked over there,
And
I had a JP63 we wired a 2 on.
You done came on up to 4.
Yeah, we come on up to 418s. So.
Oh yes, sir.
They discontinued the Onyxes, so we had to
come on up a little bit.
Yeah, we had to go on and change it up, which I wanted to go on up to 18s anyway.
Yeah.
So we're October, we're ripping her out, and we're gonna go B-pillar walls.
Oh yeah.
The 6th order. So
Ain't nothing like that wall, is it?
yeah.
Yeah. It keeps from tearing so much
ready.
stuff up. It's nice to get them walls.
Then we gon' move to the back seat. When you give me a lot there, baby, that's what it can be. G, I blew it back out. Okay, that bitch got it tight. I be bustin' like bustin' the racks out. Photo, Dre did his own in the floor. I was in beef at the wild. Bought all the cars off Coco. She got baby just naked with us. I got that no crap on the pussy. I'm in the cut. She know that she coming, of course. Had to throw that better to the court. Gotta put that ass to the north. I rock it's on me, I got the blue cheek. Put the G, I put it in the 4G. I didn't give this laptop on the front seat. For an hour, then we gon' move to the back seat. When you give me a lot there, baby, that's what it can be. Run it back, run it back, run it back, run it back like a track meet. Baby, relax me. You ain't gotta ask me.
I'm a Lincoln. Need to put some on, but it all on my back. She want the Balenciaga. Sip it, suck it. We can't go to Benihana's. 720S, it's a race car. Happy at the line. But I give you way more than 3. I spent 100. She said she love me every time when I'm leaving. I'm a fucking sex symbol.
She want the lead, she want the Gucci. I rock it's on me, I got the Gucci. For an hour, then we gon' move to the back seat. When you give me a lot there, baby, that's what it can be. Run it back, run it back, run it back, run it back like a track meet. They relax me.
Man, I sure appreciate it, man.
Absolutely.
You on social media, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let them know they can follow you at.
You can follow me on Facebook. I'm under Daniel Denny.
Yeah.
Also Interstate Automotive. That's also me on Facebook. And Cornbread's Customs on Facebook.
Yeah, I know I'm gonna tag them down. That was good seeing you, man.
Absolutely.
You know I'm gonna tag you in the video.
Absolutely.
I will see you. What's the next show you going to?
I'm not 100% sure yet. We almost didn't make this one, to be honest.
Yeah.
I've got less than 15 hours of playtime on them right now. So.
Oh, you were still breaking in?
Yeah, I still got another 10K to put on them. I still got another 1500 watt amp and mids and highs to put in.
Oh, so you got some work you gonna do?
Yeah, I still got a lot of work to do.
Yeah, yeah.
So we still gotta play with the box tuning.
We'll get there.
Yeah, we're getting there. I'm gonna drop the tuning probably 4 hertz. She's tuned at about 30, 33-ish right now. I'm probably gonna drop her down about 29, 28.
Oh yeah, you gonna make some wind movement.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it a little more windy.
Yeah.
So for a no wall, it's not as windy as it should be, but
it's doing the job though. You can play full songs.
I mean, she's probably only seeing 2 to 2500 watts right now.
Yeah.
At 2 ohms. So once we get them wired down and get the other amp in here, she should be pretty nasty.
She'll be doing what she need to do then.
Yeah, she should be pretty nasty.
At least right now you can still play where you can play all day long without it.
We should be able to clamp about 18,000.
Yeah.
Once I get everything set up right.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
we got the power to run it.
What kind of alternator and everything you running?
I can pop the hood and show you too. Running a 400 amp Billet JS.
Yeah.
With a CB Supply battery delete, 15.5 regulator, 80 amp hours of skib LTO from Itty Bitty Boom.
Yeah.
Milo John. Then we got the Ruthless 10K, JP 234 on mids and highs right now, and which we'll be swapping that out for Ruthless 15.
Make everything match up.
Yeah. Yeah. We'll be running Resilient Sound woofers, Ruthless amps, and DS18 mids and highs.
Yeah. And your voltage staying up really good.
Yeah, it's hanging in pretty good. Not where I want it, but I'm happy.
Yeah.
I want to bump it up. At idle, I see about 15.2. I want to see about 15.7.
Yeah, try to stay right at 8.
I want to see about 15 at full tilt. We're dropping about 14.4 at the lowest, and that's at idle.
That ain't bad. That's
going down the highway, she stays at 15 all day.
Oh, ride and bump all day long.
Yeah.
So, and then I've still got Spark Innovation fannies to put in.
Oh, so you still got a bunch of stuff on the shelf at the house.
LEDs. I got to get my wood in the roof. Headliner put back up, so I'm not extreme cabin.
I forgot you got to put that up there.
Yep. If you don't have no headliner, you're extreme cabin. My doors are going to be completely redone.
Yeah.
We're going to have a 10, 2 8s, 2 6.5, 2 4s in each front.
Oh, so you going to do the whole door?
I'm going to do fiberglass.
Oh, yeah.
And then in the rear doors, I'm going to do 2 8s, 2 6.5s, 2 4s. And then I'll have 4 10s in the back, mid-ranges.
Yeah, so you can open it up and
mid-bases. Well, they'll be back here facing forward.
Oh, okay, give you a little more sound up here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So once I put the other amp in here and get them on full power, we're gonna need some more vocals.
Yeah, that thing, it sounded good, man. These right here with the horns built in and everything.
Yeah, I just swapped those DS18s out this morning. I had CT Sound bullets in here.
Yeah.
And I'm switching over to DS18 everything. That's high.
Just get everything matching up.
Which the CT Sounds has done great. Don't get me wrong, but our team's sponsored by DS18.
Oh yeah, so you might as well come on with it.
I'm gonna get my sponsorship with them and
roll with it.
Yep, that's right.
Yeah, you might as well put on.
I'm trying to be we're Team Darkside Creations
with Nick and them,
yeah.
I gotta see Nick before I leave.
And then I will be I'm waiting to hear back from Resilient Sounds. We're pending 2 shows before we make Resilient Sounds team.
Yeah, you gotta do so many shows there, right? Yeah.
So I gotta make 2 shows and then they'll vote.
Yeah.
So hopefully by the end of the season we'll be Team Resilient Sounds.
Yeah.
Team DS18 and Team Darkside Creations.
Oh yeah, I think you do pretty good. You got some good stuff going on in here.
I thought they were going to get at it, boy.
What,
they stood up.
They got a disagreement over there.
That's my little boy and another little boy.
Oh yeah, man.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.